Hey, my name is Michael Griswold. Why in the world would you ever want to get back with your ex? You know, when people find out that I've invested a considerable amount of time and energy to create the foolproof system to getting back with your ex, I get a variety of responses. Some people think it's awesome and really appreciate the fact that I'm helping people find and regain true love. And then there are other people who think, that's dumb. Why would you ever get back with your ex? Your ex is your ex for a reason. Well, that's the question that I want to answer. So, why would you ever want to get back with your ex? Well, for 1,000 reasons. Because 1, it hurts like hell. 2, you feel rejected. You feel lonely, and you wonder if you're ever going to fall in love with again, ever going to find someone who make you feel that connection with. But there's an even deeper reason. Because as you're laying in bed at night, not doing the things that you used to do, you wonder, and there's this haunting accusation that says, what's wrong with me? Why can't I get it right? Why does everybody else happy and I just keep messing it up? And that is the reason that I created the M3 system. Because see, you know in the back of your mind, unless you fix this, unless you get a handle on your relationships, the next one's just going to be the same. And as I looked around after going through the same thing and seeing people go from one messed up relationship to the next, to the next, to the next, and doing the same things and going through the same heartache, I thought, this is enough. There's got to be a way to help these people. And you know, when you're going through a breakup, man, it's devastating. It's really one of the most devastating things that you'll go through in your life. And people don't know what to do. There isn't any school about it, and your friends really just kind of get tired of hearing about it. People need some place to go so that they can feel safe and get direction and guidance and leadership so that they can build themselves back up, be more confident, and create the relationships that they want. So if you wonder, why do you want to get back with your ex? You know it's because that feeling of inadequacy, that feeling of failure is haunting. And until you take control of your love life and get in control of it again, then you're likely to take that same thing, that same pattern, into every relationship in the future. So if you want to know how to get back with your ex, how to recreate the relationship that you want, then click on the link below. And look, just because you get back with your ex doesn't mean that you guys live happily ever after. But it does mean that you know what you did wrong. It does mean that you know how to create and sustain a passionate, loving relationship where you are in control. Nobody likes having decisions made for them. And when people reject you or they reject me, it feels terrible. The M3 system is to give you control and power over that again. So that if you do get back with your ex and decide, this isn't what I want, then you get to make that decision. And you finally get to be the one who calls the shots in your love life. So look, if that describes you, if you're going through it right now and you don't know what to do, then you can click on the link below and you'll hear my story and find out exactly what you can do to not only regain power, but control and get back with your ex and begin making the relationships that you wanted to again. My name is Michael Griswold. Good luck to you. And I wish you the best in creating true and lasting love where you aren't walking around on eggshells, but know that you're in control. Go ahead and click on the link below now so that you can get more information on how to do that.